Welcome to our part 2 of his meat feast opening. I've done my right side in part 1. If you've not seen it, go and check it out because I think I won on that one, didn't I, Cheddar?
You certainly did. You certainly did. But it's my time to shine. My time to shine. Yeah, definitely check out the first part because there was some cracking cards shown. Also, while you're checking out our other content, go and check out our mini series of Shining Fates. You'll be wowed at what we pull on that.
Alright. Which side do you have on this time? Do you have them on this side somewhere?
They were a little bit in the way, to be honest, but I'm just going to stick mine up here. Because I feel like I keep knocking them every time I put my cards down. It doesn't matter where they go.
Can I try and match?
Right, so we're doing them in booster box order. Obviously, I'm doing the other side now, but we've not arranged them in any way. How they was put in is how they're coming out from front to back. Okay, so straight off from the other part 1, here comes part 2. Let's get right on about it.
It's just like Christmas and my birthday all in one. Ah.
And show.
Right, we've got a fish, a bothered, some people, an item, not a Pokemon.
Drumpa, reverse rare.
A silly cobra.
And let's go.
Yeah.
Behave, man. What's that about?
I don't mind it when it does that, because all I need then is the actual proper hollow version of it, and that's it. It's done.
There might not be a hollow version of it.
Oh, really? Try and keep that mess out of the way. There you go, for that one. Yeet. Oh, I wonder if you could stop that in time. And how many people try and stop it to catch that?
I know, yeah. There we go.
Nope. Oh. Keep on cracking bronzer. And not bad. Reverse hollow Golbat.
Pig. Got him in a little grumpy over here, a little grumpy pig. And let's have to it. Ooh.
Bad.
Ooh, got a big boy over here. Shifu V Max.
Beats mine.
Number 86, 163. Textured.
Nice.
Possibly a little off-centered. Massively off-centered. But still, very nice card. Pop you right there, boy.
Next. You know, if I became a millionaire, I swear to God, I'd just love to have just cards for days.
Oh, yeah. I'd buy stocks in the Pokemon company.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Go.
Not this time. So while you're watching this, comment down below where you're watching from. And if you're watching from somewhere that doesn't speak English, tell us how do you say hello in your language. But go on for the last one. Ooh. Hello, hello, hello.
Got me a shiny Steelix. I'm sure I got one of them in the last one. But never mind, you know. I'm not being selfish, greedy, or ungrateful. Move these fellas over.
So yeah, comment down below and let us know how you say hello in your language. Because we'd like to see how far these videos are getting. Come on. And
go.
Woody. Hey, attack. Hey, we got 1, 2, 3. Keep pause it in time. There you go. So, hold these correctly, Sam.
Alright, I got a bolt under here. Reverse hollow rare.
I got some scroll.
And then let's have to it.
Alright.
No, you get them. Haven't you already got one of them today? Or was that on the other one?
I think that was on the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't want to pass it you. I'll pass it you later.
No, go on, pass it me now. Actually.
You sure?
Yeah, go on. I want to have a little look at it.
Oh, okay, come in.
I got it. Okay.
You got it?
All right. Oh, that's nice, that actually.
Sound.
Oh, cheers.
You're welcome.
Right, let's get on to the next one then.
Oh, sorry, forgot.
No, go on, you've done it now. You've done it. You've ruined it. Game over.
What we're playing with. I'm putting them in the wrong place.
Jellicent over here.
Alright. Hey, I just gave you that a second ago.
Roll back again. And let's have to it.
Basic.
Basic, yeah. Three, and a two, and a 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Let's get down to the nitty gritty and get the good stuff going. Juices pumping.
XP, sure. I'll give you all some of my stuff right here.
I got a girder for you.
And let's go for it. So Lazzle.
Basic licky licky. I'm not having as much luck as my last one. If you haven't seen his last one, go and check it out. Remember, this is part 2. There's a part 1, so if you've seen this now, go and check over and out. Well, obviously after watching this.
Yeah.
Get rid of that.
You ready?
Yep.
And show.
Nope. Alright, well, Pika, what we got in here today? A bell sprout, that's what we got.
Golbat.
A bit of mustard for your Golbat.
And go for it.
Basic primate.
Got me a Stoutland V over here. Very nice, colourful boy.
That is a very nice colourful.
157 there. 160 is very colourful. It's nice, that. The old and wise Stoutland.
Like a magpie me when it comes to colours. There you go. Ding. You hear the sound of that? How it sounded at Bell. Get it on. Ready, steady, cook. Nope. Keep this going. Keep it flowing. While you're here, sat down with your drink, looking at this octopus, leave us a like. And what have I got for it back in?
A nice little hollow for you there.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Not so bad.
Still no gold.
Not so bad.
Still no gold. Yeet.
Well, I was doing it for the chords. Now you're just getting in the way. You ready?
Go.
Go. Well,
Go.
Yeah, you already seen yours. It didn't matter, did it? Scroll of Scorn.
Bit of timber.
Aye, aye. Go again. Entire hollow. Very nice.
Ooh, that's nice. That you've
Angry
got the
boy.
reverse hollow of
I did.
that.
Angry boil.
Stay still. Here we go.
Ready? Go.
Dope. Out of 36 packets, we've not had like a snap yet.
I know we've had more snaps with the reverses. Although we've not had it on this side.
True. Yeah. No, my right side was virtually the same side as.
No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Okay, go.
Oh. It's just a kick in teeth, that, innit? Really?
That's your only snap.
Yeah. Alright. So, I'll show you that one. And we'll keep that one for later. Ooh, feels a bit weighty, this. It feels a bit weighty. This might have some gold in it. I've got a feeling it's got some gold in it. Either that or a yellow energy card.
Go.
Nope, water. What do we have? I'm putting them in the wrong pile again. They want to go there.
Girder.
Come on. We're going to be an Esper. Did they go on a purr moment?
Yeah. There we go.
Next.
Oh, nice.
Not bad.
Didn't you have this? I did. I got that in the other one, in the other video.
In part 1.
Something you should all go and check out if we've not already said that. Pretty sure we have, but you know how it is.
And if you are a Pokemon fan, I kind of guess you'll be on some form of Pokemon group. If you could just do us a favour and share some of our videos, give a bit of positive love for us. It helps the channel grow, and it helps others. Ready when you are? Oh, nearly. It helps others enjoy it as well, because the algorithm of
spreading the love.
The algorithms don't always play in your favour, so by sharing these type of things, helps us out massively. Not bad.
Let's go
Last
for
but
it.
not least, basic.
Hey!
Oh, do you stop?
Well, there's your snap.
Still not winning energy card though. Still waiting on this gold, swear to God.
Yeah, I'm waiting on for some juicy. Nothing's happened for a while.
Ready when you are.
Go.
Whoop you. Pull them proper, cheese. As per. Ooh. Ooh.
I'll go for it.
You gonna go for it?
Yeah, Sterling V. Not bad.
Not bad. You know what? I'm gonna have to do a giveaway with some of these because it's getting ridiculous.
All the V's.
Just this dog, this Yorkshire Terrier. I've got that many of these. It's ridiculous. I'm not exactly complaining too much, like, but just saying.
It sounds like you were, I'll be honest.
Well, I presume you've already got it, and as you know, brothers in arms. If I've got it spare, we pass it through. And other than that, there's going to be more brothers in arms because we've got some subscribers and women in arms, may I say? Because I've noticed there is a few women.
Just teasing
women watchers. Oh, you're just
lady watchers. They're
yes.
all ladies.
We got some lady watchers. So hello.
Oh,
but go on.
Yeah, go.
Nope.
Nope. Took off a bit more than I could chew there.
And we're Bit of damper. Not bad.
And fire.
Basic.
Stun genre basic.
I got some codes for this.
I don't know if you can just see that. But you got it. Fattening.
Fattening.
Well, 4 packs left.
I know. Well, yeah. 3 to 4th.
Yeah, well, you know how it is. And a go. Nope.
Not bad. Not bad. Get to it, girder.
Octopus over here.
Don't know why these are becoming a bit slippy, my hands. Got an ant. A sad ant.
And the final one. Oh!
Oh!
Alright. Whoa, hold up! What's going on over there, boy?
Oh!
Little mustard, little rainbow mustard coming flying through.
770163.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh. Oh, look at that.
That is nice.
Just one last time, Ding.
Anyway,
Sorry, that's the noise of the...
Forget about that. Forget about that. Look at this. Your eyes should be over here. How often did you get the reverse and the hollow in the same pack? Come on. Rainbows. Who wants rainbows anyway? I want rainbows.
I want rainbow. If you like that rainbow, leave us a like. Might one day do a giveaway with some rainbows.
Have you shown the code for that?
Unfortunately, I have.
Oh.
And I don't know where it's gone. Right.
And a go.
Nope.
Nope.
Right. So if I've already got my rainbow, where's yours?
I don't know if I'm going to get one, to be honest.
If you don't get one, that's it. Email straight up, complain, where the chuff's my gold one.
Electivire over here.
There's your gold one.
And go. Oh, Empoleon V. Oh, there you go. I got that one. Snap.
Snap.
There we are. See, I got that earlier on.
So?
In today's video, that.
Feels right nice.
Yeah, it does.
I'll put you there. You deserve like a bit
Quite
of a
nice,
special
that.
spot.
Nice colours.
2
Two
left.
packs left.
Which one you doing? You doing that one?
This one. Oh, do you know what? Let's open them both.
Oh.
Do you?
Have you done 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yep. And I put it down.
Okay. Okay. Save that to the end. So you're going to probably want that one, because I seem to be on a bit of a good stroll.
Straight on the top. Yeah?
Alright.
Are you ready?
3,
And
2,
go.
1.
Alrighty.
Alright. So I hope you've enjoyed these part 1 and part 2. If you've only just clicked on part 2, here's a part 1 to this. And I must admit, I think I might have won this one as well. So if I flick through my hollow, no, it's here. Alright, not bad and indeed.
Now let's go for it. Basic boy.
Where's my energy?
It's after that
Oh
one.
no, that would have been
that one, yeah.
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Right, so you there. Confused me that then. I've got too many cards in my hand, not used to it.
Tool jammer.
Right, got a bit of jelly scent. And
I've got something good here, but it ain't no rainbow. It ain't no rainbow. I can just see it. It's just a basic V. This one. Yeah, maybe QV. No rainbow for this side. In fact, I didn't really get that much at all. Oh my god. Yeah, I did. Well, I got that, but it's not a mega one, is it?
It's none of them.
It's not. No, yeah, I've got that anyway. What are you chatting about?
I'm just saying, like, where's yours?
I don't know.
I honestly, I call that robbed.
They just forgot to put it in. Still though, that's quite nice.
Yeah, I do like that one. That's nice colour on that. So potentially, they were the reverse hollows of the left-hand side of mine. So there's one V and a double V. A few hollows for you. And then pick it up as carefully as possible. The creme de la creme. That's what you've all technically been tuning in to watch. That one really, innit? That
Yeah,
one really.
it's the rainbow. That's the best one.
But it's still nice, that one.
Yeah, not as nice. Rainbow texture, yeah. The rainbow texture mustard.
Cheese takes the win.
Anyway, don't forget to go and check out our other stuff, other mini series and our shorts and the Shining Fates ones and our 2-pack quick opening. You know, them are very quick and you get you get 4-packs basically because we're doing it on either side. Anyway, stop the rambling. Please like, subscribe, and check us out on Instagram for fun stuff.
I'm just like throwing cards everywhere because I'm going to tidy it all up. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave us a like because then it makes tidying all this up worthwhile. Yeah, I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Have yourself a fantastic day. I'm Cheddar.
And I'm Cheese.